Namaskar everybody. My name is Rohit Ahuja. I'm General Manager at Daspalla, Hyderabad. And today on the occasion of World Tourism Day, we have initiated the beginning of the festive season by doing the cake mixing ceremony today at our hotel. Normally in the past, we have been inviting children from different schools to come and help us in doing this ceremony, because at the end of it, Christmas is a festival which is for the children, by the children, and so we normally invite children to do this cake mixing ceremony. But unfortunately, because of the COVID times, this year we have not done that because it is not safe for the children. At our hotel, all of us are observing very strictly all the protocols which the government has asked us to follow because of the COVID. And till date, all our patrons and all our guests have been very appreciative of the fact that we are taking all the precautions for prevention of COVID in our premises, because hospitality industry is also has been badly impacted because of the COVID. However, we are seeing the upturn now, and owing to that itself, we have done the cake mixing ceremony today so that we can announce to the entire city of Hyderabad and to the community by and large that yes, we are ready for the festive season. And we are looking forward to December of 2021, wherein we are looking at celebrating Christmas with all our guests and patrons. And because of that itself, today we had organized the ceremony of cake mixing. And it is normally done to initiate so that the food ingredients which are used for mixing for the making of the Christmas cake are marinated in different spirits for a span of another 85 days. As you may have seen in the video, normally the ingredients which are used range from orange peel, dates, sultanas, raisins, rose petals and dried ginger. All these kind of food components are used in the making of Christmas cakes. So today we have mixed all this together in a variety of spirits, and they will be soaked in these spirits for the span of next 85 days, and they will be giving flavor to the eventual to the cake, Christmas cakes, which will be dished out for sale during the Christmas time. I would also like to give a message to all the community and to all the patrons that because of the COVID, things have been very, very difficult for the entire hospitality industry. But thankfully so, now the things are taking an upturn, and we are very thankful to our guests and to our patrons who have encouraged us to do this cake mixing ceremony today, because we know for a fact that the coming season, the festivities will be on, and people will be celebrating the coming festival with a lot of fervor and energy, and we are looking forward to contribute to that success. Okay, with this, I thank you all for watching us do this ceremony and for participating in this entire exercise, and look forward to the Christmas season coming in December of 2021. Thank you and namaskar.